Use the synchronous signal type to see the data from a single channel decoded as a field of data, or framed fields of data, by using another channel as the bit clock. Optionally, you can use the select channel to qualify the clock. We have already added a synchronous signal to our project and captured some data. Let's open the Signals editor to see its configuration options. Click on the signal name to open the editor. We will skip the general options and describe each option for this specific type of signal. Some decoders may have additional settings in channel options. We can set the clock to rising, falling or either edge. We can invert the data channel before decoding. On the remaining channels, we have the option to disable or ignore them while decoding. Other custom settings are found under Decode Options. Select Level chooses the active level for the select signal. The Frame Sync option specifies how the frame sync signal is used, if it is enabled. Rising, falling and either edges specify what starts a new frame, and terminates the previous one. The last two options specify that one edge starts a frame and the other edge terminates it. Any start frame will automatically end the previous one. The Field Sync option specifies how the field sync signal is used, if it is enabled. Rising, falling and either edge specifies what starts a new field, and terminates the current one. The last two options specify that one edge starts a field and the other edge terminates it. Any start field or start frame will automatically end the previous field. Specifying the end field just ends it earlier for aesthetics. If you do not have a frame sync channel, you can specify a field count to use for framing. Set the number of bits to use as the field length. You can even specify a sequence of field lengths by entering multiple numbers separated by a comma. Enter a 0 if using the field sync channel. You can specify a frame timeout period to start a new frame, when no new bits are seen for the specified time. You can also specify a field timeout period that will start a new field, if no new bits are seen for the specified amount of time. We will jump to the beginning of the capture so you can see the effect of the skip bits option. This option is useful to sync up when a capture starts mid-field. This will typically only affect the first frame of information. The value is the number of bits to ignore before decoding. The LSB first tells the decoder to use the least significant bit first. Show Field Idles specifies whether idle time between fields should be shown as a hashed field, or if the current field should just extend to the next field. Show Frame Idles specifies whether idle time between frames should be shown as a single center line, or if the current frame should just extend to the start of the next frame. That concludes our synchronous signal demonstration. We hope you are enjoying our videos. Please share if you find them helpful, even if you have not purchased our DigiView Logic Analyzer.